If you ever wanted to improve in your piano chord playing, this video is for you. I have created 7 levels of progressively harder and harder chord exercises to help you develop as a piano player. Each level builds on the last. This video is perfect for the beginner or the intermediate level player who is looking to find something to refine and build on their technique. Can you do all 7 levels? Let's get into it. Let's first learn level 1. So we are using a very common chord progression for this chord exercise. We're going to use 6, 4, 1, 5. Okay, so we're going to do this one. A, C, E. Okay, so both hands, we're just gonna play A, C, E. This is chord 6 or A minor. And then we're gonna play chord 4. So with the exact same shape, we're gonna go from here, down 2 steps to this one. Okay, just play them all together for now, block chords. And then we're gonna play a C major chord, chord 1. So take that same shape, go upstairs to C. And then finally down to G. Okay, so this progression, what we're doing here is called 6, 4, 1, 5, or it can be called A minor, F, C, G. Okay, so it'll be something like this. Let's officially start with level 1. So level 1 is where we're gonna play each of these block chords for 4 times before we move on to the next one. It'll sound something like this. Once you're about to finish, you can basically start again. A minor. So on and so forth. Hope you could handle that okay. Let's move on now to level 2. Level 2, we're gonna need some hand coordination here. Your left hand is going to do the exact same thing with the blocks. But right hand this time, we're gonna do what we call a broken chord or a broken arpeggios. So this is where we're gonna separate them like this. Okay, so instead of playing them as a block, we're gonna play A, C, E, A, C, E, A, C, E. And for each shape, you repeat this pattern. Okay, so let's see what level 2 sounds like. Level 2 sounds like this. Hope you're doing okay with just these first 2 levels. We have harder levels coming up, so please don't worry. If you're a piano player that's wondering how to structure your practice and how to take your playing to that next level, I've actually got a free guide for you called the Essential Piano Roadmap. Very much like this video, my PDF, the Essential Piano Roadmap, lays out exactly what you need to practice at every stage of your piano learning journey. It's free, the link is down below, check it out. Let's move on now to level 3. Okay, level 3, we're gonna introduce a new term here called chord inversions. Let me first show you what level 3 sounds like, and I want you to see if you can guess what chord inversions are if you don't already know what they are. So in this level 3, we're actually playing exactly the same chords. We're playing A minor, F, C, and G, right? That 6, 4, 1, 5 sound. I don't know if you can hear. It sounds similar to level 1 and level 2, but it is a little bit different. This level 3 sounds different because I have now used chord inversions. This is where I basically rearrange the notes in the chord to make basically each chord flow more smoothly into the next chord. Okay, so for example, I had A minor here. Now, instead of moving my entire hand down to F, A, C, I already were where A and C was. And if I just kind of move this E up to the F, right? I can also achieve a type of FAC chord. Okay, so this is a type of chord inversion. So throughout this exercise in level 3, I was using chord inversions so that I could be a little bit, let's say, lazier in terms of how much I moved around the keyboard. I'm not only more efficient in my movement, it actually sounds better as well. It sounds more smooth. So let's watch again what level 3 sounds like. Let's spell it out really, really slowly now. Okay, so the first one is just an ACE. chord is where I'm gonna keep that A and C down here and move the E to an F. The next chord after that, we're gonna keep the C and move the top down and the bottom down, okay? And then finally, we're gonna have G, B, D in the same way. So let's see how this works put together. Beautiful sound. There's sort of an elegance to it. Now that we've learned and got the chord inversions in our hands, let's try to do level 4. Level 4 uses the chord inversions and does this. The left hand is going to remain on the block chords, and the right hand is now going to play broken arpeggios or broken chords in this way. And now we're going to move on to level 5. Level 5 is where we're going to do something very interesting with the left hand. The left hand is now going to play bass, chord, bass, chord. All right, so instead of playing blocks like this before, we're now going to play bass, chord, bass, chord. So together, it sounds like this. Okay, I hope you're having fun coordinating these movements. Let's move on now to level 6. Level 6 sounds like this. So let's break this one down. What's happening in level 6? Level 6 is where we have the same left hand, boom, bum, bass, chord, bass, chord, bass, chord. Right? And the right hand this time is going to do a broken arpeggios, but in a faster way. So it's like bottom, middle, top, middle. And that's sort of like one round. So we have bum, 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 bum. You're kind of repeating this round again and again. Next chord. Next chord. And next chord. Sounds like a movie soundtrack or something. Let's put that together. Now, if these piano exercises are starting to feel like a really great fit for you, imagine having a full roadmap to master not just only chords, but every aspect of piano playing. That's exactly what my course, The Keys to Mastery, is all about. Enrollment isn't open right now, but feel free to click the link below to join the waiting list. I'm opening the course only to a limited amount of students, so make sure you get your place. Okay, final challenge time. This is now level 7. Let's see what this one sounds like. Wow, many notes. Let's see what was happening. Let's do a bit of a breakdown for level 7. Level 7, the right hand is doing the same thing as level 6. So on and so forth. But left hand is now doing something very interesting. This is called the Alberti bass technique. the Alberti bass. This is where you're going to do the same chords, right? All same chords, but this time the pattern for the left hand is bottom, top, middle, top. So, okay, so if you repeat that 4 times, let's do it slowly first. Yeah, try to get used to this movement first. Bottom, top, middle, top. So basically, in level 7, you're playing always at the same time for right and left hand, because these are all 16th notes. Difficult to coordinate. Yeah, so once you get the coordination, if you put some pedal in, it'll sound something like this. How many levels did you complete? Share with me in the comments. Don't forget to download your Essential Piano Roadmap PDF. It's completely free and packed with lots of good stuff to guide your practice. And if you're someone that is serious about mastering the piano, make sure to join the waitlist to my Keys to Mastery piano course. Keep practicing, guys, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial.